Good afternoon. So you have transformers in your course, but there are two types of transformers. Generally, this is electrical engineering concept, but you must know about it. You can see there are two types of cores. The magnetic circuit can be made in two ways. So in one, which is called the core type, you can see that the windings are on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Two windings have been used. And you can see in the shell type, you have the middle leg, where the winding has been wound. So the upper part of the winding is different and the lower part of the winding is different. So you can see the lower is the primary winding and the upper winding is the secondary winding in the shell type. Now, if you note, in the case of left-hand side where we are discussing the core type, you have two magnetic circuits because there are two coils. But on the right-hand side, you have only single magnetic circuit. So in the case of core type designs, the magnetic flux leakage is high because there are two magnetic circuits. But in the case of shell type where a single arm has both the windings wound over it, the leakage is less. So therefore, the shell types have less leakage and the core types have more leakage. Thank you.